Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Josie Bailo Dragon, 33 years old from Bignay, Valenzuela City, Philippines. I have 3 children. I am single mother. The age of my children is 13 years old, 11 years old, and 7 years old. My height is 158 centimeter. My weight is 60 kilograms. I have experience here in Philippines as a housekeeping nanny over 2 years and 9 months. I know how to cook Philippine food. I know how to take care the children, and I know how to take care the elderly. And I know how to clean all around course. If you choose me, Mom and Sir, I will take care your family. I am hardworking and reliable person who isn't afraid to face the challenge. I'm passionate about my work and I know how to get the job done. I would describe myself as an open and honest person who doesn't believe in misleading other people and tries to be fair in everything I do. Thank you, Mom and Sir. Hoping you choose me.